my God, I love that he's called Fries-enberg.
No, it's okay. Existing product and this is the supplement.
So with this one, you know, obviously with Mr. Potato Head, you can switch out accessories and things. Will there be alternate, like you get a hazmat bottom and then a mask, or a...
we cannot confirm anything else.
Cannot confirm or deny. All right, gotcha.
Unfortunately, it's funny. This is the one.
But typically, when you buy a set, it would come with, so you can make a variation of
a little bit. Yeah, there's some variety. I mean, the main idea, for instance, with the line is you could take Iron Man's mask off and put Hulk's head on Iron Man. Kind of within the superheroes, kind of change them up a bit. But honestly, I think most of the fans just display them as they are.
So, wait, anything except that?